I am the petrol head in Norway. Together with Schmiedmann, I love servicing classic BMWs. This is today's car, a beautiful B10 Biturbo 1992. I will take you around the car and you will see what it looks like. Hold on. So, this car is delivered in 1992, April 92, from Alpina in Buchloe, then sent to Switzerland and registered on the first owner there in March 1993. This customer owned the car for, well, 17 years. It was sold to a Norwegian customer in 2010. Came to Norway June 2010, and as you see from the camera, it is in pristine condition. The car is really beautiful. I've had it for a full service today. So as you will see, the Alpina typical interior with the extra instruments for oil temperature, differential temperature, oil pressure, all very nice. Alpina electric Recaro seats. The car is like new. The engine is, as everybody knows, BMW's fabulous M30 3.5 liter, which Alpina did a lot of modifications to. Compression rate has been lowered with new parts. It has 360 horsepower and 520 Newton meters. This is what they say from the factory. And it feels that way. And as you see again, perfect. Today we have changed oil on it. 1060 oil as Alpina recommend. New air filter, spark plugs, differential oil, gear oil, and a few small rubber hoses changed for the fuel system, which were not bad but starting to perish. So all parts delivered by my main supplier, Schmiedmann in Denmark. And well, what more can I say? Have a look. This is car number 462 out of 507 produced. And maybe we want some sound. So my colleague is going to rev it a little bit, because now the engine is warm. I don't know how much sound you will actually see or hear, but it's very nice. Yeah. As always with Alpina, it's not too much. It's just enough. Perfectly enough. So from all of us here in Norway, have a nice day and buy an Alpina.